A cooling sky in deeper blue. Haere Tupuānuku rises to burn, for soon will the winter return. How chill the air and long the dew, and so prepare Tupuānuku, bold in the blaze, returning to end summer's days. Near winter abounds, so into the ground, so the kite for when dark is the sky. Crisp autumn descends, harvesting ends gather whānau and friends. The leaves grow red, light dapples through each mossy bed. Tupuānuku, glistening and bright, warming the chill of the night. The sun it heaves no longer new, our yellow leaves. Tupuānuku, infinite old, beacon and flame in the cold. Near winter abounds, so into the ground, so the kite for when dark is the sky. Crisp autumn descends, harvesting ends gather whānau and friends. The yearly march of old and new, of ends and starts. Tupuānuku dances and hops when ice falls in flakes and in drops. And in its glow there's much to do and much to sow.